everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. So today I'm going to scrapbook this picture of this scrunchie and that purse or handbag. I'll tell you about that in just a second. So I'm actually going to use some baby themed papers here. So I'm starting out with that kind of peachy corally paper that's from Echo Park Baby Girl. It's the Sweet Elephants paper. And then I'm adding the floral on top of that, which is the Echo Park Baby Girl gingham. I've talked about this a lot. When I do something that has a pattern across it, like often a floral, I like a frame around it to contain it. Otherwise it looks to me like it's falling off the edges. And that's just a personal preference. Sometimes I do let it, quote, fall off the edges. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a personal design preference. You do you, in all seriousness. I added the photo there onto that green paper, which is, it's a green dot, which is Echo Park Baby Girl Newborn Floral. And then I added that journaling card, which is from that, I believe it's the Echo Park Baby Girl collection from their cut apart sheet. Yes, that's what I wanted, the cut apart sheet, but it was a scrap. So I had already cut them apart. So I don't have the actual name on that. I am doing these washi stickers. And they are from the Echo Park Baby Girl sticker book. I have a big sticker book from this collection. So part of it is I have a great niece who I still don't have her newborn pictures of. So once I get those, then I can actually scrapbook them. That might be something down the road because now I have a Disney project and I have another great nephew that I need to do some scrapping for. So they might get those when they graduate from high school. We'll see. All right. So also adding in that I love you sticker there. I have that beautiful floral piece there from that sticker book. And then that piece that says Sweet Girl. And then I'm going to add a small floral sticker on here in just a minute. That will come from the element stickers from Echo Park Baby Girl. So what this is about is my grandson got a sewing machine when he turned 10 just about a month ago. And he's been very interested in sewing. He's got a lot of varied interests. He's been doing origami. He plays violin, but he also plays soccer. He's on an elite soccer team in baseball. So he's got a really cool, I say to him all the time, I love all the things he's interested in because he's very interested in lots of different things. But the very first project that he did, he made that little handbag and the scrunchie for his sister, which I just thought was so sweet. I mean, so that's why it says Sweet Boy on this. And so he practiced with a few little things. One of his other grandmothers really helped him. He got some fabric and that kind of stuff and helped him make that. So I just thought, oh, how darling. So here is the small sticker that I was talking about that came from the element stickers from the Sweet Girl collection. So I'm just kind of playing with how I'm going to arrange that. I had to pull it down a little bit because I didn't like it how it overlapped off the frame. I don't mind that it's outside the frame. I actually like that a little bit. I like to break frames because it just helps pull things together. I talk about that all the time where you're in your clusters or whatever it is should touch as many other things as it can when you're clustering because that helps bring it all together. So that's kind of what I'm doing here is bringing it all together. And I did, I've got that Sweet Girl, I put that sticker in there because there's a little bit of that dark brown in that card and I wanted to pull that together, but I needed some more of that brown element. I think it keeps it from being too overly sweet, although it is pretty sweet. So I have this foam alpha from American Crafts Stickers. It's the Cedar Alphabet. I think it was from Cedar Lane, maybe. I have a number of these sheets because I love this wood, quote, wood looking alpha here. And I'm just going to do the title as Sweet Boy, or really it's going to turn into hashtag Sweet Boy. I like to use the hashtags when my spacing doesn't feel like it's coming out properly, or number signs if you're old enough. I like to use that number sign, which really we've called a hashtag now. Again, showing my age just for fun. But I like to use those hashtags because sometimes it just helps the spacing feel a little bit better across top of a layout. And I tend to do this all the time where I put my titles above the layout. It just feels balanced to me. I'm definitely a straight line scrapbooker, but on occasion you'll see them somewhere else. So I haven't put that hashtag sign in yet. I kind of, I think I got it a little bit more centered is what I did. So now I am grabbing some enamel dots. Those again are from that Echo Park Baby Girl collection. And just I'm going to use the green up there to get a little green there because I've got some green towards the bottom. And then I'm going to use some blue on the bottom. So I didn't have enough to do 6 dots because I did 3 and 3. I don't remember if I talked about this. I used a washi sticker and actually tore the sticker so it looks more like washi tape. And that came from that sticker book. Don't remember if I talked about that. But I like when I have stickers like that, if they're not already, quote, have a torn edge that the sticker is printed that way, I really like to tear them myself. And sometimes I'll tear them myself anyway. Gives a more realistic look, I guess. All right, so one more dot. I've had these dots for a while and they're sticking. The glue is sticking. So there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.